So I'm here in Malacca with a very popular chef here who's going to offer up a unique dish that's not commonly seen in Singapore.
It's Cucur Udang.
More chili cuka. Wow.
Hi, I'm Jennifer from Donna Lily. So this is my Cucur Udang recipe from Malacca. Try it, okay?
And these wonderful recipes are proudly championed and brought to you by Maybank Singapore. And these are the things you need, with some softer shelled sea prawns and fried shallots. So in goes 3 cups of plain flour, half a tablespoon of turmeric for color, and some salt and sugar for flavoring, and 1 bowl of crunchy bean sprouts with another half bowl of chives. And then you add some fried shallots and the chili, and then you put a bowl of ice in there.
Oh, it helps to crisp the batter. I mean, when you fry, it will be crispier. And then you can put cold water. You put cold water.
Wow. How much cold water?
As you go along, you mix and see how
You gotta see the texture.
Yes, the texture of it.
Give it a good mix. Add some cold water as you go along to the ice mix, and you can add some chicken granules for extra flavor, but watch the texture.
Consistency will be like this, okay? Not too watery and not too thick. Just fill in this one.
So put the batter mix with a prawn. Oh my goodness. I can only anticipate what this looks like. You put another fresh prawn on top for visuals.
So heat up the oil to about 200 degrees and let them rip. Don't fry too many at a go because they will all stick together.
So Jennifer, when you makan, is the shell supposed to be crispy? And you makan the shell also?
Yes, of course. Eat the shell, good for your bones.
About a little over 4 minutes later, you should get this beautiful golden colored Cucur Udang. Ay. 1, 2, 3, and we're ready for action. But wait. While that's resting, make the chili cuka dip. You need 10 kampong chili, large size, halved, 10 cloves of garlic, 10 slices of ginger, sugar and salt to flavor, and then you gotta put in half a bowl of white vinegar. Add some water, and then
Pedas.
Wow.
I'm so ready to tear in, but first I gotta ask.
Jennifer, when do people eat this?
Oh, when they are hungry, anytime they can eat. During snack time lah.
Okay, the acid test, a bit of chili cuka. Come to Papa. Wow. Crispy on the outside and doughy, hot and flavorful on the inside. Oh my goodness. And I will chew on the prawn and the shell. Wow. Even more flavor. Oh my goodness.